Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Growing Guitar. We have a great song here from Sabrina Carpenter. It's called Dumb and Poetic. Alright, nice combo there, attractive maybe, I'm not sure, but anyway, this is a great song because it fits guitar very, very well. It's a very straightforward guitar song, so if you want to have easy chords, very easy strumming pattern, everything is pretty much easy and fits guitar well, this is a song to go for. Let's start this one up, and no need for any capo here even, so very straightforward in that sense as well. Let's go into the chords starting with C major 7, all right? So that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, open B, and open E. We had G chord next, and here we go with the open strings down there. It goes 3rd on E string, 2nd on A, then open D, open G, open B, and open E. Normally you have more down there when they play the G, but for this specific song, this is the way to go. So that's G. We have the A sus2 next. All right, so that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, then open B, and open E. And then finally we have the F. That's a bar chord where you play the bar on the 1st fret and you cover all strings there with the index finger, and then you need to add 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. And there you have the chords C major, G, A, and F. Let's take a look at the strumming now. So if you go back to C major, that's the 1st chord, we have one string around that goes down, up, like this. So down, a short pause, and then up, down, up. And a couple of rounds to get the feeling for it. It goes like this. Alright, so let's go into the actual song, and like I said, fits guitar very well. It's very easy structured as well. We have verse play and we have chorus play, and that's the same pretty much. So verse play now, we have C major 7, 4 string rounds, then G, 2, and A sus 2. You're gonna play that chord progression, C major 4, G2, A2 for 4 rounds. A couple of rounds goes like this. So I'll play 2 rounds for you. You're gonna play 4 rounds, and that is the first verse. And then I like to think, when I look at the chords and progressions and all that, I always look, how do I play this in the easiest way possible? So sometimes I mention it here in Growing Guitar, sometimes not, but yeah, to go C major, you have that grip. G, you go up in with the same grip, just one string up there, and then you have the A sus, you go down here, and from the A sus you keep that 2nd fret D string and go up to play the next round C major. So you see, you can be very use the economy thinking here when it comes to not work too much to switch the chords. Okay, some details there. Anyway, let's move on with the chorus play now, and we will play F 2 string rounds, the C 2 string rounds, and G 4 string rounds. You play that for 2 chord progression rounds. So F2, C2, G4 like this. And that is the first chorus. Then 2nd round, it's pretty much repetition. You play the very same 2nd verse as you played in the 1st verse. 4 rounds of that. Then comes the 2nd chorus, and instead of playing just 2 rounds of F2, C2, G4, you play it now for 4 rounds of that chord progression. And you know what? after you finish the second chorus, you finish the actual song. All right? So very, very easy. You can pretty much be dumb and poetic and handle the song anyway. Nice song from Sabrina Carpenter, Dumb and Poetic. Hope you enjoyed it. I did. And yeah, hope we can share some love here. I give tutorials for you and you give me a thumb up or subscribe back to me. So thank you so much. Play tuned.